Trading bots, faceless channels, AI apps you don't even have to code. Every single day there's a new one, and it all just turns into noise. Sound familiar? Here are 5 realistic ways to actually make money with Claude. No coding, no experience with the honest pay for each. No fluff and no hype. Just 5 ways that actually work, with the real numbers. Let's start. Number 1. Build and sell simple websites with Claude. You describe the business: a plumber, a cafe, a gym. Claude drafts the copy and the layout, and you put it online. Beginners realistically charge $500 to $1,500 a site. The catch? The hard part isn't the building. It's finding that first local business that needs one. Number 2. Writing and ghostwriting. Claude drafts newsletters, posts, and articles. You edit for voice and fact-check every line. It starts small, $50 to a couple $100 a post, and grows with proof. You're selling reliability and taste, not word count. Never ship raw AI copy. Still with me? Good, keep going. Because the next 3 are where this really starts to click for people. Number 3. Sell digital products Claude helps you make. Prompt packs, Notion templates, resume kits. Claude speeds up the drafting, you package and sell. Per sale is small, and honestly, most first products earn little until you build an audience. The product is easy, distribution is the real job. Number 4. Simple AI automations for small businesses. Use Claude to set up email replies, FAQs, or report drafts that save a business hours every week. Charge a setup fee, maybe a small monthly retainer. The skill is spotting one real bottleneck, then sell the hours saved, not the buzzword. Number 5. A niche content channel or newsletter. Claude helps you batch scripts and posts so you can publish consistently. Here's the honest part: you earn nothing from ads until 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It's the slowest to pay and the most compounding. Months before the first dollar, and that's normal. So here's the thread through all 5. Claude does the drafting. It does not find your clients, build your audience, or guarantee you a single dollar. That part is on you, and the cost to start is tiny. Claude's free tier is enough to test every one of these, and Pro is just $20 a month if you outgrow it. Pick one. Give it 30 days. Ignore the other 4 method. Collecting is the trap this whole video is about. If realistic beats hyped is your thing, subscribe and tell me in the comments which one you're starting first.